Hello, class. We're going to have a little walkabout meditation together. I'm sure that some of you have practiced or are familiar with the Soham meditation technique. We're going to add a bit of a wrinkle to that practice right now. It's a walking Soham practice. And if you're able to do this somewhere out in nature, I think that really adds to it. So first, let's start out just walking at a comfortable pace, letting the breathing be as regular or as irregular as it would like to be. And breathing in, we think so. Breathing out, we think hum. Get yourself comfortable with that. And the next wrinkle to add, instead of just going up the spine, let your attention, when thinking so and breathing in, go all the way up your feet, as if it's coming from the earth itself. When we think so, let it go up the feet. When we think hum, let it flow out into the environment. So, hum. Now just let yourself breathe in the whole environment as you're walking and you're thinking so. Take it all in, as if there's millions of little particles or big waves flowing in. Think of it as waves of chi. And then breathing out, letting those particles or waves of chi flow out into the environment. So, hum. Everything's breathing here. So, hum. We're letting ourselves breathe with all of nature. So, hum. It's as if it's all reaching out to us. This orange tree, the grass, the fig tree, the clouds, the olive trees. There's a full interpenetration between capital N nature and our own consciousness. Just do this whenever you feel like it. It's a lovely way to do a meditation walk.